Hi, my name is Ms. Gordon, and I am the Work-Based Learning Coordinator for Long County High School. I'd like to take the opportunity to congratulate you on being a part of the Work-Based Learning Program. This program allows students the opportunity to leave school, go to work, get paid, and also earn course credit for that. Throughout the semester, I'll be observing you and meeting with you and your employer to discuss your progress. One of the things that you need to know is that it is very important that your employer does want to participate in the program. They will be taking taxes out of your pay, and that they agree that you would work the minimum number of hours. If you have one block of work-based learning, you need to work a minimum of 7.5 hours per week. If you have two blocks of work-based learning, you need to work a minimum of 15 hours per week. Those hours will be documented on your pay stub, which you will turn in a copy so that we can verify those hours. Throughout the semester, there will be some coursework. You'll be working on a resume, work ethics, different employability skills that will help you to be the professional that you want to be in the future. I know that this is some difficult and scary times with the coronavirus, but we will work with your employer to make sure that you are safe and that you are following safety guidelines in order to keep yourself and your family protected during this time. A few of the supplies that you'll be needing in work-based learning is a completed packet. Those will be sent out digitally through email, and it will just have all the forms that you and a parent needs to fill out. You will also need the employer who's willing to participate in work-based learning. You'll sign up for Google Classroom and Remind. You will also need a valid driver's license, insurance, and a school parking pass if you are going to be coming to school face-to-face. You'll need computer access with internet and a positive attitude and a willingness to learn. So one of the things is you will need to go ahead and sign up for the Google Classroom and the Remind so that you can stay informed about work-based learning as the school year starts, and you'll need to check it periodically just to make sure that you are up to date on what's going on. Outside of that, I'd just like to say that I'm very excited about this program. We've seen great success with students who are going on and pursuing a career in their career pathway. So the work experience they've gained in work-based learning has been a real big step in helping them get to where they want to be professionally. Just to let you know a little bit about myself, I'm a Long County native. I graduated from Long County High School in 1994. Since then, I have pursued a business degree and then switched over to education because it was just more fun. And since then, I've been working for, this is my 15th year in education. I enjoy it very much. I'm looking forward to working with you this school year, and I think we're going to have a great time. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at the address you see on your screen. Join for those Google Classrooms. If you are year one, you'll see the code on the screen, or if you are a year two student, you'll see that different code on the screen. And Remind 101 is the same code for everybody. If you have any questions or need anything, please feel free to contact me. Thank you, and go Blue Tide.